Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. We will see in this video how to allocate memory outside of a function in C. So this topic resides on the side of the pointer. So if you want to, you can allocate memory for any pointer type. So in our case, we will allocate memory for a pointer to an integer, and we will call that foo. So we will allocate memory for foo outside of this function. So this is basically done, and so we need to define another function which we can call void allocate memory. Here we need to pass a parameter. However, the size here or the type here is crucial. So if you have an invalid type, then this won't work. I will also show you a case where it doesn't work and where you might think, okay, that should work, however it does not. So the right way is to have a pointer which points to a pointer to an integer. So we will call that I need memory, and here we will indicate the number of integers. So we will allocate memory for the I need memory. Allocation. Okay, this is a cost pointer to an integer. We need to call malloc. Here we specify the size of integer times number of integer, and basically that's it. So we have a pointer to an integer as our parameter. We access just the address of the pointer to an integer and allocate for that specific part or for that specific pointer a memory. So we can call this method by calling allocate memory, and we need to pass the address of foo, and that's it. So if we now execute our function, what does it say? I need to specify also the second parameter, passing the second argument. Okay, basically now we do not see anything. However, when we iterate over our array, then we see that it actually worked. Now we can access it and specify. I'm working under Windows, so that is why I'm using \r/n. And finally, we need to free our memory, and that's it. Basically, this is the way how you allocate memory outside of a function, and you see that it works. I will prepare another video where I explain basically why this is the way it needs to be done, and not something like this, where you might think, okay, I just need one pointer and I allocate for this part memory, allocate memory wrong. This is not the way how it works. I will explain in another video the reason for this. Thank you for watching.